We are a software development company and we specialize in development of Internet of Things and embedded systems. We mainly work on firmware for medical devices, smart city devices and smart home devices. We are based in Poznań, in Poland, and we have a fully equipped workshop where your prototypes of your devices can be tested, modified, debugged, and help you get faster to the market. We assist with CE mark testing and EMC testing, which are mandatory for most of the devices, hardware devices on the European market. We also develop a cloud part with time series databases for your sensor information or controlling your device through over-the-air updates or gathering some metrics. We can help you also with mobile apps, which can control your device directly or through the cloud, and web development when you want to have administrative panel or dashboard to control the devices and user interface to have access to your devices. Please visit our website for more information at WizzDev.com.